Hey guys, we're back. Layton just caught another creek chub. Sorry that we ended the video, but we're still here. We're gonna see if we can catch some more. But he just had he just had one on like 2 seconds ago when I started the video. So yep, same thing as we said last video. If you haven't watched it, like and subscribe, please. And I hope you'll enjoy this video. Thank you. Another video, Layton said.
They won't know what time it is.
So, tonight we have football practice, or else we would stay longer, but... I think Layton just had another bite. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. I'm gonna go look on the other side and see if there's any fish or anything, but... As you can see, the current is very fast. There's some little minnows in there, but... Okay. Have any more bites, Layton?
Nope.
He said he didn't have any more bites. Next time I think we're gonna bring chairs.
Next time we're gonna bring 2 rods.
Yeah, or 2 rods. We have like 4 rods now, I think.
More than 4.
Oh yeah, more than, no, yeah, we have 5. Well, no, 5 reels, 4 rods.
Yeah.
Actually, one of the rods is actually out at the farm, so. There's a lot of minnows over here. Wait, Layton just had one on, got off. Now I think I'm gonna start fishing too, see if I can catch any. Layton said he hated the creek chubs.
They're too small.
He said they're too small. But we're not gonna use them for bait or anything. We just want to wait until they get really big. We're just gonna do the whole catch and release deal. So, well, Layton's gonna take over.
After I catch a fish.
After he catches a fish, he said. Oh, he just had one.
They'll like instantly attack.
They instantly attack it. But, oh, Layton. He almost broke the reel. Or the rod, or the line, I don't know. He almost broke something though. As soon as you like put the line out there, they instantly just bite on.
Yeah, they just
Like you have to be knowing when they're gonna do it. Because if you let it sit there,
for over 2 years.
yeah, we fished here for almost 2 years. This is just in our own town. But yeah, we usually go up to a bigger city, and
Like Hutch,
yeah,
Crow River.
we're in Minnesota. Yeah, our friend has a boat, so we always go with them.
There's one. I really want to get that fish out.
I think in like a couple seconds, Layton's gonna let me fish here.
Let me get.
We've went all the way down there and fished, and Layton caught a little catfish.
There's catfish, carp in here.
Yeah, there's some carp. Once in a great while, the northerns come through. But way, way down the stream, there's some walleye, but we never fish for them because they're so hard to get at, too. So,
They play hard to get. What? Okay.
okay, so now Layton's gonna take over. Hey guys, it's me. And here comes a big, I don't know what it is, but, oh, it's a city lawnmower. City lawnmower. He's gonna give her a couple casts. So yeah. stopped. He didn't even notice us. Oh, that's funny. Like we can be here. It's like they go by all the time, the city people here, and they really don't care that we fish here.
There's a little minnow following my worm.
I can't see.
Minnow's smaller than that.
I'm gonna go over on the other side and just like what Brayden did, just kind of get some time wasted. So yeah, we got a fast flowing part. You think there'd be trout in here, but there ain't. There is zero trout. Zero. Those creek chubs kind of look like trout. They're actually just tiny little creek chubs. Man, there's a whole school of minnows. So I'm gonna go back over there and tell Brayden that there's a whole school of minnows. Brayden, there's a whole school of minnows down there.
There's a bigger school.
Would you get a bite?
No, not even a bite, guys.
Not even.
I think they're scared.
Look at the beautiful view though. Oh, yeah. And the stupid tree right there.
Yeah, we got caught in that
Many times. We had a whole pack of hooks. We lost them in one day. We were like new to this fishing stuff. Oh, you had one. Oh yeah. Oh shoot, it's
Just had one, you guys.
Just.
It was like the smallest creek chub I've ever caught in my life.
Oh, that's funny. Yeah, this is what we're using, the Strike King. The ultimate soft plastic lures and tubes. We're using the tubes. Well, you sure looked like you had one. So we will try to post close to every day.
Well, no, probably twice a week.
Yeah, probably twice a week. So,
School is coming up for us.
yeah, school is coming up, and we don't have much time. But
The creek chub is still alive.
Oh shoot! I gotta grab him. Move. The creek chub's still alive. In our other video, you'll see what happened to him. He's right there. Come here, buddy. Come here.
Oh, I just had a whole school of minnow chasing my worm.
Come here, buddy. Jesus, what's in there? Come here. You won't come out.
Just leave him in there. He'll survive.
Hold on.
Get him.
If I can just see what's all in there. Come here, buddy.
Might be a little gopher hole or something.
Could be. Dude, he's like resisting. He's like, just leave me alone. I can feel he's only in there. It's like there's nothing else. Come here, buddy. Hey, I'm trying to save you, okay? Come here. Where is your stupid little head? Sorry, guys, about my language. Just, I don't like fish to die.
Even though he loves eating them.
Come here. There he is. No! You Dumbo. So here he is. Got him. Let's get a good release on him. There he goes.
Jeez, I haven't had one bite. My line is way over. Where is he?
He's right there. Oh, I can still see him. Maybe I'll get him again. Huh? That would be fun for the followers. If there's any followers even following us.
Oh, I just had one like.
It's hard to get around people. Try and get him.
Oh, did you go that way?
Yeah, he went that way.
Up the river.
Upriver. We're still going. So I'll kind of show you around where we fish. It's really nowhere. And we just got the hill up there. And there's a field over there. Oh shoot, I dropped you guys. You guys okay? Good. Okay. So we got a beautiful view. Okay. Beautiful view over there. So yeah, guys, this is an awesome place to fish. You catch a lot of creek chubs. We use
Another one.
another one. Jeez, they're biting now. That it's close to 6. So I think we might end this video, Braden.
What time is it?
I can't check.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna sign out, guys. See, when did he say we can go fishing?
Well, we might make one tomorrow since it's our couple last days until school.
Yeah. So we'll see you next time. Braden. Peace.
Peace.